Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज risk sentiment is looking quite strong. एक तरफ equity markets are trading higher, दूसरी तरफ dollar index is lower. US bond yields are lower and oil price is not a concern. So the backdrop is perfect for Indian rupee to strengthen further against the dollar. In fact, dollar rupee हाल ही में last 3-4 trading session में we have seen a convergence towards where the other currencies are. क्योंकि since November, Indian rupee has been a rank underperformer. डॉलर इंडेक्स जो 115 के आसपास पीक किया था 103 पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, ऑलमोस्ट 12% डाउन. वही टाइम पीरियड में डॉलर रुपी, इफ यू इग्नोर द लास्ट 3 ट्रेडिंग सेशन का मूव, इट वाज ट्रेडिंग वेरी क्लोज टू इट्स ऑल टाइम हाई. अभी हाल ही में इट हैज कम डाउन फ्रॉम 8270 से 8150. इट हैज फर्दर टू रन क्योंकि 12% ड्रॉप एंड दिस ड्रॉप इज नथिंग. So अगर दिसंबर लो को भी ये टेस्ट करता है एज अ मिनिमम टारगेट, देन इट शुड बी अराउंड 1895. And if it goes beyond that, then it can even test 80. But we are not immediately targeting 80. We are targeting 80, 95, 81 kind of support levels. कि वहाँ पे we will reassess what is the situation. Is there enough momentum on the downside or the momentum is fading? क्योंकि 81 के आसपास it will also get a little oversold and overstretched over the short term. So that will be our place of target. अभी 8162 के आसपास है ऑफशोर में. So there is still almost close to a % kind of a move left. So जो ट्रेड है वो है कि sell on rise. स्टॉप लॉस इज 8210 स्पॉट बेसिस में. 8210 के ऊपर जाके ये एस्टैब्लिश होता है, देन वी हैव टू एग्जिट आवर शॉट्स एंड अज्यूम दैट द डाउनसाइड मोमेंटम एंड द मूव इज प्रोबेबली ओवर. तो यू कैन एक्सप्रेस दैट व्यू थ्रू फ्यूचर्स, और आप ऑप्शन से भी ये कर सकते हो. पुट स्प्रेड्स, यू कैन इवन सेल आउट ऑफ मनी कॉल्स, बट वी वुड प्रेफर पुट स्प्रेड और using futures, क्योंकि out of money calls में क्या है कि your gains are limited but your losses are unlimited. So that's the reason why we don't like selling OTM options to participate in a trend, because when the trend is on, you should try and make as much as money as possible, not limited money. But anyways, if somebody wants to do that kind of a trade, you can sell an out of money call, but remember the stop 8210 के ऊपर जाकर re-establish होता है. We will not be short. So that's the level to watch. नीचे में 81 से 1895 is the major support zone. Straddles triangles will still avoid, क्योंकि जब ये range breakdown हुआ है और volatility expansion हो रहा है, it is not something we would like to do. But आपको अगर करना ही है, then instead of doing an unhedged strategy like a straddle or strangle, it is advisable that you do a hedge strategy, जहाँ पे margin requirement is also lower. That is an iron fly. So keep that in mind. You can also do a butterfly as well, but these are the things which are better because these are hedged. And once the range, the markets slips back into a range, we will of course do it with the straddles and strangles. But as of now, we are avoiding it. But again, if you want to do hedge strategies, are better. The flies. Cross currencies में we will see an up move in euro and pound. आज शाम को there are 2 kinds of inflation data. One India से है, और दूसरा which will have a global impact, US CPI inflation है. वहाँ पे the headline inflation is expected to drop to 6.5 from above 7, और जो core inflation है it is expected to drop below 6. Now हो सकता है कि the inflation may drop more than expected. अगर वो होता है तो then we can see a bigger rally or rather a bigger sell-off in the dollar index and a bigger rally in the equity markets, etc. Commodities, and that will be beneficial for the Indian rupee. So आज शाम का जो data है after our markets close, US inflation is going to be extremely important. Indian inflation will also have its importance, but if I have to compare in terms of the global impact and the impact on the rupee, US inflation is the most important data. We'll keep you updated about the data when it comes out through our Telegram channel. So in case you are not on our Telegram channel, definitely become a part. It is very easy to search. Just search currency corner @Kotak Securities. वो Kotak Securities का symbol आपको दिख जाएगा. You become a member of that. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day.